If you are attacked by a member of the crew, you first want to make sure you're in a position of safety. You're going to want to get any necessary medical attention. You're going to want to report the attack to the cruise line officials and also report the attack to the appropriate civilian law enforcement personnel, either in a foreign country, to include when you return to the United States, to report it to the local police so it can be properly investigated and prosecuted.